Today was a super rough day for me. I ended up blowing 11 funded accounts. If you didn't see my post already about it, but I'm gonna go over the trade that I did take that was a good trade. All the other ones were revenge trades, so there wasn't really any sort of setup. There would be nothing for you to learn from. It was purely just my mind that led me to take those trades. So this first trade that I took, this dotted line is market open. And you can see right here, this blue line I have marked out is a 4-hour low. And so that's the first thing I did when I got on, is I was marking out the lows and highs, and I found this low. It's one of the more prominent lows. That's why I marked it. And then I was waiting at market open because of that, because we swept that low right here pre-market, like right at 9:30. We started ripping up, and so we inversed this 5-minute gap right here. I'll mark it out real quick right here. We inversed this 5-minute gap. You can see this blue candle ripped right up through it. And so I'm gonna remove this just so make the chart a little cleaner. But we inversed these gaps, so that made me very bullish. And I was waiting for a retrace, and you can see we have this little 5-minute gap here, and we have a 5-minute gap right here. So I scaled down to the 1 minute once we had tapped into this 5-minute gap. This purple box is the 5-minute gap. I scaled down to the 1 minute. You can see we tapped into it perfectly. I entered right off the close of this candle, so right here. And I was targeting these highs, so it was gonna be a 138 point move. My stops were below this low. RR was good, 1 to 3. And we started pumping straight out of the, straight off, like when I took the trade. And then we just kind of chopped around to the downside. I ended up getting stopped out at break even. Once I saw that this wick and then this candle closed, I put stops to break even just because I didn't like how we displaced off that 1 minute fair value gap. I'll mark that out so you guys can see it. But you can see, obviously, just right off this gap, just went to the downside. Overall, this was a good trade because I had a liquidity sweep, a break of structure, and a retrace. Those are the main things that I'm looking for. And so I'm not mad about this trade at all. This one went break even. I didn't lose anything. These other trades that I took 4 more trades after this. And that's why I blew my accounts. I tried to longing from here, just got rinsed. And so that's gonna be all for today. If you guys have questions, put them in the comments. I'm more than happy to help out. And then I also have a free Discord that you guys are more than welcome to join. I'll review your trades. I'll basically help you with whatever you need help with.